Hello, it's me, Mirko from Halle, Germany. Halle at the River Saale is my hometown. In the background you can see one of the landmarks of the city, our big market church. It is also the birth city of the great composer Georg Friedrich Händel. Approximately 260,000 inhabitants live here, and all these people must be supplied with clean water and also produce a lot of wastewater. Here in Halle we have one of the modernest wastewater treatment plants in Germany, equipped with pumps produced at KSB Halle. And I'm working for KSB for 15 years now. I'm responsible for spare part supply in water and wastewater segment. I look after some North African countries, North Asia and Southeast Asia, including Sri Lanka. I make this short video to say hello to my colleagues and customers in Sri Lanka. At the moment, I'm working on 2 projects for spare part supply for Sri Lanka. One is for a big power plant and the other for pumping station for water supply to Colombo. Clean water and electricity are basic compounds to connect people to a better life with high sanitary standards and healthy food supply. During this difficult situation, KSB Germany is in the responsibility to stay in contact with our local colleagues and support them with all available resources. And I hope this pandemic situation will end. Maybe Sri Lanka will be one of my stations during the next business trip. It would be a pleasure for me to give you support and be part of our good business relationship. Bye and have a nice day.